And of course, we can do comparisons, and it's very easy. You don't have to go to any other windows. You don't have to add these charts to any sort of analyzer or do anything. We're all right here in the only view that we need. So I'd like to pull up a comparison of just the S-curves. So we'll go ahead and turn off the bars. Let's go back up to the top. And I'd like to run a couple more scenarios, a couple more simulations. So, you know, we can do a comparison. One feature I'd like to do is a risk priority. So let's go ahead and we'll name this one risk priority. So now what we can do is load up a comparison. We can go ahead and look at this run here. We can compare it to our pre-mitigated run that we did earlier. And you'll see the comparison loads right away in our chart. On the right, we can see we had a P80 of 1017 on our pre-mitigated run. And on this one, this other run that I did, I'm sorry, the pre-mitigated was 1031. And this other run that I did, where we ended up removing some risks, we got it back down to 1017.